Hi guys, I am Jonny and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a tutorial of a simple cartoon character made in Adobe Illustrator. So today I will be talking about how I made this cartoon character in Illustrator and some tips and tricks that I used to create this character. If you are new to my channel, be my guest to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications so that you don't miss any of my new updates. So let's go to the video. It's always good to start with a sketch because it helps us to keep in track of what we are doing. This is a simple cartoon character based on basic shape. First, I do the basic outlines or the basic shapes with the help of the pen tool. So the pen tool is a very useful tool in Illustrator because it helps us to create our own shapes in our own desired ways. Then I fill the basic shapes with the base color like I'm doing here. In the beginning I told you that this is a very simple character. So I used simple shapes like squares, rounded rectangles, circles for various shapes in the character. Now the basic shape or the basic character is done. Now it's time for highlights and shadows. I will show you a trick in Illustrator that would help us to make shadows and highlights. This tool is called the Pathfinder tool. It's a very useful tool when creating characters, logos, and any artwork in Illustrator. So this is how I created shadows and highlights for my character using Pathfinder. Draw the shape that you need. In this example, I'm using a basic circle and then add a fill color and remove the stroke color. And then take two copies of that circle by pressing and holding Alt. Now I'll name these circles as 1, 2 and 3. Now take the first circle and fill it with the color that you need for your base color. In this, I'm using green as my base color. Then take the second circle and fill it with the shadow color. In this, I'm using a darker shade of green for my shadow color. Take the third circle and fill it with a different color. In this example, I'm using red as the color for the third circle. Then take the third circle and place it on top of the second circle in an overlapping way so that a part of the second circle is showing. Then go to Window and find Pathfinder option. The shortcut for this tool is Shift Control and F9. Then select both the second and third circles and click the second option in shape mode in Pathfinder. It says as minus front. And then take the created shape and place it on top of the first circle. So what is this option and what does it do? So the minus front option in Pathfinder is an option that cuts or eliminates the top shape layers and any overlappings, leaving behind the bottom shape and color. I used this method to create my shadows and highlights for the character. It is a very helpful tool or option when it comes for shape building or shape making in Illustrator. I will talk more about the Pathfinder options in coming videos. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get information about Pathfinder in Illustrator. Here's another useful tip for designing in Illustrator. So if you want to take continuous copies, you first take a copy of an shape by pressing holding Alt and then press Ctrl plus D to take many copies as you want. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope the video was an enjoying one. And if you learned something new from this video, like the video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. If you want to check more information and videos about art, please check my YouTube channel for more information. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.